If money feels confusing, it's not your fault and no one ever showed you the system. Let's fix that today.
Ever feel like your money just moves in rando directions?
You're working hard, but it still feels unclear.
Bills keep showing up from every direction. Savings can feel like it's growing painfully slow.
Debt can feel heavy, even when you're trying.
So you start wondering what you're missing.
Here's the shift that changes everything.
Money works better when it follows a system.
Money isn't math bod days, it's flow. Your income is the main pipe bringing money in. Expenses are the drains pulling money out.
If too much flows out, the tank never fills.
But you can control the drains.
And that's how savings start building.
Without a plan, money just feels stressful.
Let's bring calm and order to it.
Every dollar you earn has 4 jobs.
First job is survival tenon, the basics of life.
These expenses are normal and necessary.
The goal is reasonable, not perfect.
Second job is protection.
This is your emergency fund. Protection keeps small problems from becoming big ones.
It prevents panic decisions.
Third job is growth. This is money working for your future.
Paying off high-interest debt counts as growth too.
Small, steady moves matter most. Fourth job is lifestyle tag, the fun stuff.
Lifestyle comes after protection and growth.
Problems start when fun money gets too big.
Perfection isn't required. Direction is. Saving what's left never works. Pay yourself first instead.
Small leaks add up fast. More income alone won't fix the system. Build the system first.
Step 1 is listing your survival costs.
Step 2 is starting small protection.
Step 3 is one simple growth move.
Step 4 is capping lifestyle spending.
Step 5 is automating the flow.
Boring consistency is what really works.
Time quietly multiplies steady habits. This is what stability looks like.
Now lifestyle spending feels guilt-free.
That's quiet financial confidence.
Money is flow you can guide. Tell your money where to go.
And the stress starts to fade.
Small steps, repeated over time.
That's how money actually works.
Thanks for learning money the smart and simple way.
Small steps today create big financial growth tomorrow. Subscribe and build your money skills step by step.
Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.